Welcome to a modern biscuit factory, where advanced technology turns simple ingredients into millions of perfectly baked. The process begins with the delivery of high-quality raw ingredients, such as flour, sugar, and fats, all carefully inspected before production.
These ingredients are combined in automated mixers, creating a uniform dough with the perfect texture and consistency,
ensuring proper moisture balance and improved biscuit quality. Next, the dough is rolled and cut into precise shapes using high-speed forming machines.
The shaped biscuits travel through long tunnel ovens, where controlled heat gives them their signature color and crunch.
After baking, the biscuits are cooled gradually to preserve texture and prevent breakage.
Advanced quality control systems inspect each biscuit to ensure consistency and safety.
For filled or coated varieties, additional stations add creams or chocolate with precise measurement.
The finished biscuits are quickly packaged to maintain freshness and extend shelf life.
Before mixing begins, flour is passed through fine sifting systems to remove impurities and ensure uniform particle size. Automated dosing machines measure each ingredient with extreme accuracy, maintaining consistent taste and texture. Temperature sensors continuously monitor the dough to prevent overheating and maintain optimal processing conditions.
For certain biscuit types, the dough is laminated into thin layers, creating a light and crispy structure. Embossing rollers imprint patterns and logos onto each biscuit, giving them a recognizable appearance.
Moisture sensors ensure the biscuits achieve the ideal balance between crunch and shelf stability. Cooling tunnels regulate airflow and temperature, allowing biscuits to cool evenly without cracking.
Every biscuit passes through metal detection systems, ensuring the product is completely safe for consumption.
A final inspection stage removes any biscuits that do not meet strict quality standards. Each package is marked with batch codes, allowing full traceability from factory to store shelf.
Behind every biscuit is a carefully engineered process designed for quality, safety, and consistency.
High-speed alignment systems organize biscuits precisely, preparing them for efficient stacking and packing. High-speed alignment systems organize biscuits precisely, preparing them for efficient stacking and packing. Every step in the process is designed to deliver safe, high-quality biscuits to consumers. Every step in the process is designed to deliver safe, high-quality biscuits to consumers.
Packaged biscuits are stored and prepared for distribution to markets around the world.